I'm Dr. Ngundi. After 6 years of medical school in China and becoming a certified physician, I've studied metabolism extensively. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what happens to your body during a 24-hour fast, hour by hour, backed by medical science, not internet myths. And stick around because at minute 7, I'm going to reveal the biggest mistake people make that ruins all their benefits of fasting. Whether you are trying to lose fat, improve your health markers, or just understand your body better, understanding what happens during a 24-hour fast is crucial because here is the truth: your body is designed for this. Our ancestors went days without food regularly, but modern society has made us afraid of missing even one meal. Let me show you what's really happening inside. Hours 0 to 6. Right after your last meal, your body is in what we call the fed state. Your stomach and intestines are breaking down food. Glucose from carbohydrates enters your bloodstream. Your pancreas releases insulin. This is the hormone that tells your cells to absorb that glucose for energy. Some gets used immediately, the rest gets stored as glycogen in your liver and muscles. During these first 6 hours, you are running on the food you just ate. Nothing dramatic yet. Your body temperature is normal, energy levels are stable. But around hours 4 to 6, things start to shift. Digestion is complete. Insulin levels begin dropping, and your body is asking, where is the next meal? Hours 6 to 12. This is the transition phase. Your body has used up most of the glucose from your last meal. Now it turns to plan B, glycogen stores. Your pancreas secretes glucagon, the opposite of insulin. This hormone signals your liver and muscles to release stored glycogen and convert it back to glucose. You might start feeling hungry here. That's grilling, your hunger hormone rising. This is completely normal and actually a good sign that your metabolism is working. Here is something fascinating. Around hour 10, your pituitary gland boosts human growth hormone HGH production by up to 300%. This is your body's way of protecting muscle tissue. HGH tells your body, don't burn muscle for fuel. We need that. Use fat instead. You might also notice you are feeling slightly colder or more alert. That is because your body is adapting. Hours 12 to 18. This is where the magic starts. Your glycogen stores are nearly depleted. Your body makes a critical switch from sugar burner to fat burner. Your liver starts breaking down fatty acid into ketones bodies. This process is called ketosis, and yes, you can enter a mild ketosis in just 12 to 16 hours. Ketones are actually a superior fuel source for your brain. Many people report mental clarity at this stage. That is not a placebo, that is biochemistry. And here is a big one. Autophagy kicks in around hour 16 to 18. Autophagy literally means self-eating. Your cells are breaking down and recycling damaged proteins, dysfunctional organelle, even bacteria and viruses. Think of it as your body's internal cleaning crew finally getting to work. This process is linked to longevity, reduced inflammation, and even cancer prevention in studies. Hours 18 to 24, you are now in the peak benefit zone. Fat oxidation is maxed out. Your body is running efficiently on ketones. Insulin sensitivity improves dramatically, meaning when you do it again, your body will handle glucose much better. This is huge for preventing diabetes. Inflammation markers drop. Your immune system gets a boost. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) increases, promoting new brain cell growth. And concerning the growth hormone, it's still elevated because your body is preventing muscles while burning fat. This is the metabolic state our ancestors lived in regularly. Now, here is a critical mistake I promised earlier: breaking down your fast with junk food or massive portions. After 24 hours, your digestive system is sensitive. Your insulin response is primed. If you slam a pizza or burger or huge carb heavy meal, you'll spike insulin hard, store fat rapidly, and feel terrible afterwards. Instead, break your fast with something light, such as bone or meat broth, a small portion of protein and vegetables, and some heavy fat like avocado. Give your system 30 minutes, then eat a normal meal. The second mistake is not staying hydrated. You should know that during your fast, drink water, black coffee, or even tea. Dehydration will make you feel awful and isn't part of the fast benefit. Quick safety note here. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, diabetic, on medication, or have a history of eating disorder, talk to your doctor before trying any of these. But for healthy adults, a 24-hour fasting is generally safe. But you must listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, extremely weak, or unwell, please break the fast. There is no need for suffering. Want to try your first 24-hour fast? Here is my protocol. Finish your first meal at 7 p.m. on day 1. Then eat again until 7 p.m. on day 2. That's it. You sleep through the hardest part. Stay busy during the day. Drink plenty of water. Black coffee is fine as well. Light exercise is okay, but skip intensive workouts. The first time might be challenging. By your third or fourth fast, your body will adapt and it will become much easier. So there you have it, the complete medical breakdown of what happens during a 24 hours fast. Your body is an incredible machine that knows exactly what to do, when to give it a break from constant eating. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more evidence-based health content like this one, and drop a comment. Have you tried 24-hour fasting before? What was your experience like? I'm Dr. Ngundi, and I'll see you in the next one.